Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is what's the value of 1 by 0. Most of us might think it is equal to infinite. Now I'm going to give you two options. First one is infinite and second one is undefined. If any one of you guys know the answer, please pause the video and comment down your answer, because your answer might change by the end of the video. First, let me explain what means infinite and what means undefined. Infinite means it's a very large quantity which can't be defined, but it still possesses a lot of value. Coming to undefined, when we use the term undefined is when there is no real value for the equation, or it can't be given any value, then we use the term undefined. Now, before going into the explanation, let me explain a small concept from fractions. Let's consider a fraction a by b, which is equal to c. Now, in fractions, if the denominator values goes on decreasing, the result will goes on increasing. It's like inversely proportional. It's like this. If b goes on decreasing, c value goes on increasing. In the same time, if b value goes on increasing, c value comes on decreasing. Let me take you guys to the calculator to explain this concept and show you the real value of 1 by 0. Now, let's check the fractions concept. The first fraction is 1 over 10. The answer is 0.1. If we decrease the denominator to 5, the result will get doubled. In the same way, if we are decreasing the denominator little bit more, the value goes on increasing. Now, if I am decreasing the denominator less than 1, I mean 0.1, sorry guys, the value increased to 10 times. If I am decreasing the value to little bit more, the value is increasing multiple times. Still more, it is increasing to 1 multiplied by 10 power of 10. From this, what we are understanding is, if we are substituting the minimal value in the place of p, the result will be increasing to a lot. So the minimum natural value which we can keep is 0. So at that time, if we are keeping the minimum value we know, then the value is going to be a huge, right? That's why we are thinking, if we substitute the 0 in the denominator, the value is going to be an infinite. Now I'm placing 0. Now the value what it is showing is undefined. Most of you might confuse. In my childhood itself, I was taught 1 over 0 is infinite. After thinking why, then I end up with the solution why it is undefined. Let me take you to the whiteboard again. Now consider 1 by 0. Now take the value 1 by 0 as alpha. If you guys are thinking it is infinite, assume alpha is infinite. Okay. Now, as the 0 is in the denominator in the left hand side, if I am taking to the right hand side, the division is going to be a multiplication. So now if I rearrange the thing, it will become 1 is equal to alpha multiplied by 0. Now if any one of you guys accepts with this equation, you can think alpha as infinite. If you are contradicting with this equation, then alpha is undefined. Because the basic rule in math is anything multiplied by 0 should be equal to 0. But this statement is contradicting the basic statement in math. So I believe 1 over 0 is not infinite. It is undefined. Now let me check the value of 1 over 0 again in this calculator. The real mess in the math comes now. Oh, infinite. Why this calculator is showing infinite? But still, I will stick with my opinion. 1 over 0 is not infinite. It is undefined. Comment down what you are thinking, whether it is infinite or undefined. And one more thing, try to pull out your calculators, whether it is a mobile or a Mac or PC or anything, and check what your calculators are showing for 1 over 0.